Hello there. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change the length of the blog post description in here. So we need to go to first the edit section of that page, and here we are. We will get an element. Just click on that. A pop-up window will appear, and the bottom of the page you will get the description length. Just set the length size in here, and it should be a numeric format. For example, I would like to display the first 12 word of the blog post, so I added 12 in here. Next, click Save Changes. Click on the update button. Now if we go to the output page and click on the refresh button, we will see the result in here. You see the length of the result changed. So this way you can easily change, you can increase or decrease the length of the blog post description from the blog post settings page. I hope that helps, and let me know if you need further assistance. Thank you.